In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block dates in Calendly. If you're someone who uses Calendly to schedule meetings or appointments, you know how important it is to keep your availability up to date. Whether you're planning time off, managing a busy schedule, or simply need a day to focus on other tasks, learning how to block specific dates is an essential skill for keeping your calendar organized and stress-free. And if you're new to Calendly, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step of the process. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Calendly account. This is the first step because you need access to your account to manage your availability. Once you're logged in, take a moment to ensure that the browser you're using is updated and fully compatible with Calendly. This small but important step helps prevent any technical hiccups that could slow you down while using the platform. If you're unsure, check for updates in your browser settings before proceeding. Now that you're all set up, head to the homepage of your Calendly account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Availability. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Calendly allows you to manage your open hours and define when you're available for appointments. Think of it as the control center for your schedule. Next, we're going to focus on a specific area within that availability page called Date-Specific Hours. This section is where you can customize your availability for individual dates. It's particularly useful when your standard availability doesn't apply, like on holidays, personal days, or days with unique scheduling needs. Once you're in the Date-Specific Hours section, look for the plus sign next to it that says Add Hours or Plus Hours. Click on that. This will open up additional options, giving you the ability to specify which dates you want to block. It's a simple step, but it's what enables you to fully customize your schedule. When the calendar interface appears, select the date or dates you want to block by clicking on them. This is where you choose the exact day or days you want to mark as unavailable. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct dates, especially if you're managing multiple commitments. After you've selected your dates, you'll notice an X sign below each of the chosen dates. Click on that X to mark those dates as unavailable. This is how you tell Calendly that you don't want any events scheduled on those days. It's a clear and easy way to block off time for yourself or other priorities. Once you've marked all the necessary dates, don't forget to click Apply. This step is crucial because it confirms your changes and ensures that your blocked dates are saved in your calendar. Without clicking Apply, your updates won't take effect and your availability will remain unchanged. Finally, remember that your schedule isn't set in stone. If your plans change or you need to adjust your blocked dates, you can always revisit this section and make updates as needed. Calendly allows you the flexibility to adapt your schedule anytime, which is perfect for staying on top of unexpected changes. And that's it. You've just learned how to block dates in Calendly, step by step. By following these simple instructions, you can ensure your availability is always accurate and reflects your needs. If you have any questions or would like to share how you use Calendly, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.